3 minutes. Whoa. I'm on ATM there. Let's walk down. Oh, let's walk down this way. Epis is not here. So the other one say, let's check.
Maybe the check-in.
Let's check. Wow. Sorry. I only have 3 minutes of recording. Shit. I'll have to delete some stuff. But the airport's fine. Well, they show Atletico live here. Now they can't sit down here. At lounge day for us to sit down now. Guy. Eh?
Lounge for first class.
That lounge.
No, not first class. It's open.
It's open to everybody now.
Some are open. First class they decoded.
What did they do first? Don't be the same food where you will chop for there, you will chop for this side.
I'll be the first.
See a piece for you.
No, okay. Approach it.
Just say they don't even resume.
Say that they resume 7 hours.
Before this stuff. Nobody there on seat. How far? See them for you. Oh.
This is France. I'm looking for LD.
This is an air code.
The other side.
You let's say another corner there. Oh, yeah, hurry. How far? Well, you know, say you should need to like present.
I get the number.
So where are we going to now?
You have to look for airplane.
Well, let's instead of canvas, let's ask.
You can't go up here again. You always take me.
But we need to be able to ask somebody now.
You can't do that. My very right time. I get the number. Number will be the problem. I get
See episodes for you. Now what is more flow like this? Sit down for you. But if like see all these people they let me ask. Bonjour, Epis?
Oui.
The line? Okay. What is they go to Nigeria like this? There you go.
I want to
No, wait now. Make one chair finish now. I'm not really. I won't say I'm excited. I'm just, I'm just looking forward to resting and getting back on the road again. That's.
Alright guys, let's go inside. I'll get back. Immigration.
Omo, the way these people set up this their store, you must pass and see. You don't get a choice.
But let's see, it's not our.
I do my video now. You must pass and see.
Which gate? Gate 5.
How are we supposed to know the gate we are going to? See gate 4, gate 3. Gate 4, so gate 5 should be over there.
Yeah, he pointed down.
Down? That is here? The way they set them up, you don't get choice. We'll confirm the gate first, Nabi.
Right?
Hmm?
They're right here.
That's it. People, Alright guys, so how you guys doing today? Guys, we are currently at the airport here in Dakar, Senegal. We've just we booked our ticket and we are about to fly back to Lagos. Guys, it's been 7 weeks. We've gone to 11 countries and now we are calling it it's a wrap right now. Okay, guys, it's been a very emotional journey for me. It's a journey that has been filled with so much roller coaster of emotions, right? And I'm very grateful that you guys were able to join me on this journey to make it possible for me to make it this far, right? Anyways, I really appreciate everyone that has supported me, for buying me a coffee, super chats, super thanks, super chats. I'm very grateful. Okay, Kenneth.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, please tell me how do you feel now that the road trip is coming to an end?
No, this particular one is coming to an end because after this one, within a week, another one is coming up again.
Okay.
I did East Africa, over like 7 East African countries.
Yeah.
Then I returned back to Nigeria, spent a month or 2. Then kick off this one. So after this one, I have to go to Northern Africa, and Southern Africa.
Okay.
But so far, I think the last 2 countries has been so nice, like Gambia, then Senegal. We did all those stress of hectic border crossing, all those things stopped at Guinea-Bissau. So from Gambia, the people were so nice, the immigrations were kind. Down to Senegal here and the same thing. So I think those load of stress and anger left in Bissau. So it's good, and I feel so good that we're flying.
We're flying, yeah. Please tell me what has ending the road trip. What is your experience? What do you have to say now that everything is coming to an end?
Yeah, like I told Kenneth, I'm conflicted. On one hand, we didn't want to leave Senegal so soon, but we have to go. And we've been traveling for a little over a month, and it's been telling, on our bodies. So we need to go and rest. Like he said, another adventure is coming, so we need to go and refresh ourselves, for the new adventure coming.
All right, that's good. That's good. Okay, so guys, it's not just, it's a wrap for this West African road trip, right? We have other adventures that we are planning, right? We have the one for East Africa, okay? And we would love you guys, the same way you supported us on this one, we would love you guys to join us and support us on that one as well. So please stay locked on this channel, right? Do not go anywhere. All right guys, so I met this beautiful lady right here in Senegal. Her name is Rachel. Rachel, kindly tell me, what do you think about Senegal and this airport in general?
Okay, so Senegal is a really beautiful country to visit. Honestly, it's one of the most developed and welcoming countries I've been in West Africa. People are nice. There's a lot of places to visit all around Senegal, not just in the capital city, central city, but really in all the regions. So really, if you have the opportunity to come to Senegal, I really recommend you to come.
That's great. Okay, can you tell me, what is your first impression about this airport? Is it beautiful? What do you think?
Yes, I think this airport is actually quite nicely made, and it's accessible. I like the fact that they've put a transfer bus to the central city that comes actually really regularly, and they are planning on extending the train. Really nice train, really comfortable. You have Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
There's fresh air, etc. It's really nice, and the train is going to come to the airport.
Yeah.
So we are going to really have a nice way from the central city to the airport, and the airport is quite big. It's organized. Honestly, it's a good airport. It's bigger than most airports in Africa, so it's nice to see that.
Yeah. So Rachel happens to be a YouTuber. I met her here in the airport, right? So check out our channel down below, right? She's an amazing person. She does lifestyle, okay? So check her out and make sure to let her know that it came from me. All right.